Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's. Today I want to see if they have any new iPhone 11 cases at Target. I do notice right away that they have some new designs up here. They have like a tortoise shell. They have this one that is kind of cool. And of course they have the chargers and everything. Then I realized there's more on the other side. I was in the wrong section. I have the iPhone 11 in purple. I don't like this color, but you know, some people might like it. I do like that one. It's kind of like a mirror. I like how the OtterBox has a pop socket now. I think that's super cool because pop sockets don't stay on most OtterBoxes. Now these are some of the ones I showed you in my last iPhone 11 shopping video. The marble one, but they didn't have this one. But they did have this pink one, and they also have them for iPhone 11 Pro, iPhone 11 Pro Max. So they are getting more options of cases, and there's more on the other side, but first I want to show you the pop sockets. This one caught my eye. It's so pretty, and it's smooth. It's not a chunky glitter. So then they still have this one for $70 because it comes with a light around it, like a selfie light. They have these little ring pop sockets, and then they have this little wallet, a pop wallet. So these caught my eye because I do have the cactus one, but I see a pineapple one that's super cute there in the middle. But I couldn't find it for the iPhone 11. It's like maybe they haven't come out with it yet for the 11. But I think if it did come out with this pineapple one, I would definitely buy it because it's so cute. So I'll be sure to go back and see when they have new ones, and I'll be sure to show you. Subscribe if you're new, and thanks so much for watching.